Hello everyone, in this video I will give you unboxing and review of Truke Earbuds S2, which is my first ever wireless earbuds. I bought it from Amazon on the sale days at 1300 Indian rupees with additional 10% bank offer or discount. So here you can see the invoice. You can buy this in normal days. Average price will be up to 1500 rupees. I will give the best buy link in the description. So here you can see this is the main product box. It is black color box and there is a red color icon. Here you can see Truke branding is there and Buds S2 model number is written there. So on the side of the box BIS certificate icon is given there, and in the price you will see MRP of 4000 rupees. It will have 1 year of warranty, and to claim the warranty you have to send the product to the brand office or the customer care, which will be around in Mumbai or Bengaluru. So here you can see another side sliding technology is written there. There will be quad mic is also written there, basically 2 mic in every buds, and here it says the AI noise cancellation is there, not active noise cancellation, there will be AI noise cancellation. So let's unbox it, and here you can see in the box content the earbuds will be separated from the battery or the case. So 2 earbuds will be top side and there will be one case, and you will also get 3 pairs of additional rubber for your ear, warranty card, and this is basically begging for the 5-star review, and one Type-C cable, and also there is some quick start guide, instruction manual, and as well as how to set up with the application is there. So here is the technical specification. Every earbuds have the 14 mAh battery and total case is 300 mAh battery. So this is one icon is there, QR code basically, and how to connect. It has 10 equalizer which can be configured only from the application. So just scan the QR code via your Android mobile and you will get the application download link over there. So this is the product. In the bottom there is the BIS certificate, in the top Truke branding is there. So Truke basically German oriented brand, and here you can see the orange color Type-C port, and this is basically shining glossy and made of full plastic. If you slide up you will see 4 LED white color LED. Every LED determines 25% battery, so 4 LED means 100% battery still there. So, and here it is the Bluetooth earbuds. Basically this is the main content or main hardware what we are going to use. In case we'll just charge it. So there is also Truke branding there in the earbuds, and earbuds is also made of plastic. Here you can see the top one mic, in the bottom another mic, and there is 2 golden dot. This is basically for charging, plus minus charging. So there is some magnet is there which will help the earbuds to get attached with the case. So here you can see slide up and down technology. So here you can see there is no left right written in the earbuds itself, but when you are trying to charge it you have to attach in the direction left and right. So from there you can determine the left and right. In the charging case also L and R is written there on the left and right subsequently. So here you can see when it is charging the green color LED is blinking, or basically in the pairing mode it will blink the green color LED in one side, basically here in the left side, and when it is paired in the same time 2 green LED will blink in the 2 earbuds. So that's the main LED indication. So here you can see it is now in charging. When you are slide up you will see the remaining battery power. Here you can see I'm going to pair with the mobile, so you can use this device without help of the application. That's a good thing. So go to the Bluetooth device and click on new device, pair new device. You will see the Truke Buds S2 name there. You can also understand how much battery left in the earbuds itself. It will not show the battery left in the case, but it will show the battery left in the earbuds. In a developer setting I can determine that it supports the SBC codec only at 44.1 kHz at 16-bit sample rate. This is the only supported configuration for this earbuds. So here you can see when I slide up it will connect automatically to the last paired device within 3 or 4 seconds, very quickly. There is no problem on slide up and quick pairing. Now let's talk about the application which they are calling Smart Life. This is third-party application which is not made by the Truke, and this app is basically made for the smart home appliances, but here they are using Truke earbuds. So click on the plus button and you have to auto scan and enable the location, and it will comes to this page. Here you can say find device. This is very much stupid idea. It will show some in the map, and map is basically in Chinese, and also you will see some beep from the earbuds which cannot be heard if it is not you are wearing it. So this is very stupid idea. And in the equalizer there is 10 equalizer is there. By default it will be a bass enabled, so high bass will be by default enabled. So if you want to change it to rock or jazz or any something else, so you have to download the app at least once to change it. That is a bad idea. So that was the unboxing and product overview, or the setup, how you can set up. Now let's talk about the review and why I have returned this product, and what is my opinion for a wireless earbuds or wireless earphone, headphone, whatever you say. Is it preferable over the wired one or not, or what is kind of problem, pros and cons if any earbuds. Basically I will talk about this earbuds. Now let's talk about. So first of all, the very much bad quality is there. The other end person, I have tried it, Google Meet, means online video conference, and as well as the Telegram call, and as well as normal phone call. I have tried everything, and everything the result was same. The voice quality was very low, and this is basically due to noise suppression. Basically they are saying some AI noise cancellation is there. Basically they are suppressing the noise, so that's why your voice is cracking and your voice will looks like robotic. Next thing, you will get lots of background noise. Maybe your voice is be less and your background noise can be listened very clear than your voice. This is the quality of any kind of earbuds, and basically your earbuds will be in your ear and your mouth will be here. So this is basically this kind of gap will be there. So that's why the call quality or your voice will go there very much bad. And pairing problem, direct Bluetooth pairing is there, but the application is there. This is the third party application, so this is not the in-house application of Truke. So there is some compatibility issue. You will get update in the app, but yes, there is compatibility issue. Sometimes it will not connect. Even your mobile is connected to the device, but your app will not detect. For that you have to force stop the app or uninstall or install the app, then maybe it will work. So there is a bug in the application. And for the codec, this uses the SBC codec, not the AAC codec, and basically every budget friendly earbuds do not have the AAC codec. And if you are going to use during call, or if you are going to attach to any laptop, or during you are using as a headset, means mic plus headphone, then it will be a mono sound, not the stereo sound. Remember it, when you are talking over the phone, it will be a mono sound. Your stereo, it will not stereo, so it will be mono and your voice will be there. When you are playing music or your mic is disabled, then only you can get is the stereo sound. So that is things to be remembered. And for the battery backup, company claims one charge it will last up to 10 hours, music player or something, but this is wrong. I have not played continuous music, but within 5 hours, maybe some 3 or 4 hours music was there, but within 5 hours one charge cycle was ended. So you will get around 20 hours with the case battery backup, but company claims 40 hours. So you can take 50% of the company claims as an actual battery backup. So why it was a one night stand with my earbuds? I am using my wired Sony earphone for a long time, and here I have noticed that maybe these earbuds have the bass, but there is no detailing of sound due to some codec issue or the compressing the bit rate. For the Bluetooth speed, they are compressing the bitrate to reduce the information or details of the music to play it smoothly or without any lag. So that's why there is some issue is there, you will not get details. So I used the 800 or 900 rupees Sony earphone, and this is, I must say, this is the best ever earphone I have used in this budget. It has so many details. You can, if you are a music lover, if you hear music, you can understand what I am talking about, the background details. Every instrument of the music can be heard in the wired headphone of the Sony, but in wireless you never can expect this. And in the wired headphone, if you're using even in laptop or even you are using with your mobile, you will get the default driver or the internal driver, whatever there in your mobile or laptop, you will get noise cancellation there. So you can use some application to use the noise cancellation. So noise cancellation is there, and voice will be clear because your earphone mic will be in your mouth. So there is lots of benefit. And last benefit is very important. It is that there is no headache of charging and discharging. And remember one thing, you can use the wired headphone until and unless it is dies or the wire get distracted or something happen, physically damage happen, you can use it. But in the wireless headset or earbuds, whenever any of the battery, maybe the case battery, maybe the one side battery get down and it is outside of warranty, you have to just throw it away because you cannot detach it. Normal people cannot repair it, and the battery will not able to find very easily. And if you able to find, maybe their charging height. So it definitely, if it is outside of warranty, it is nearly impossible to repair it and reuse it. So yeah, until the battery is alive, you can use the earbuds. If your battery ends its life, it is over. But for the wet, it is not like that. So that's all in this video. Do let me know your thoughts and opinion regarding using the earbuds over the earphone, or you can stick with the old days with the wired one.